Hi guys! Today we're gonna start to make slime. You need paint and oh my gosh! Okay, yeah. Spider is not. Add a paint. A slimy paint. It's a slimy paint. You want to see? Best zero. That is starting paint. So let's go to the frame. So, as you can see, freezer, and let's wait. Yes. After 2 minutes, let's take it. Oh my gosh! Give me the mixer. Let's take the mixer and mix it. Now my turn to mix. Oh my gosh. My turn to mix. Oh my gosh. Let's add something. Oh my god. Let me add sparkles. Oh my gosh. Oh. Super duper slime. I want to add more. It's not making that more slimy. I didn't add glue, and that is not laundry detergent. That is paint. Like you can see, I add more, a lot. Let's put it in the freezer again. Let's remove the paint. Oh my gosh, the paint is a bit. Like you can see. Let's put it here and in the freezer. Put it for about 5 minutes. So I gotta find the sparkles. Okay, guys. And Miriam told that she made it with a jelly, and after that she told that her father buy that paint. She told that she made it with jelly, but it's not smell like the jelly. And she put water and glue in that. So I found the sparkles. Show them the sparkles. Oh my gosh. We had is glitter pinky sparkles. We're gonna add after that. After that. Yep. Okay, we come back 5 minutes. So let's add a sparkle. Hurry up! Okay. You sticker. I will put some. A bit. Yes. Not show them. Let's add sparkle. More little. Done. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the button and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye. Bye. You can play that after it's done. But it's already not very done. Yeah. Bye. So, yep. Bye. Look. A super duper trash. No. It's sticky, but keep adding it. We need to mix it up. We need to mix it. Right? Bye. It's super fun. Don't forget to like that and click the button. And don't forget to like that video and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next. Bye. Close it. Close it. Close it.